Ready for a change? Want to be part of a fun, energetic team that supports you and values your contribution while selling an adventure brand that perfectly matches your lifestyle? Join us at Comox Valley Toyota, where work-life balance is at the heart of everything that we do. Located on Vancouver Island, the Comox Valley has it all. Whether you're carving down the slopes of Mount Washington, biking through world-class trails, catching waves in the ocean, or exploring our beautiful lakes, this is an adventurer's dream come true. Imagine a life where every day feels like a vacation. Breathtaking hikes, endless camping spots right at your doorstep, and vibrant music festivals such as the Woodstove Festival, Cumberland Wild, Vancouver Island Music Fest, and the Philburg Festival, and more. At Comox Valley Toyota, work doesn't just feel like work. Here, you'll be part of an incredible team that's dedicated to delivering exceptional customer service and making every day exciting. We're proud to represent a brand with a stellar reputation for reliability and known worldwide for quality and innovation. Plus, you'll work in a busy store. We're the #1 dealer in total sales on the North Island. In fact, we account for 42% of all import vehicles sold in the Comox Valley. So why just live in paradise when you can work here too? Join us at Comox Valley Toyota, where you can experience the best of both worlds, an outstanding career and an extraordinary lifestyle. Apply today.